Superfoods are hiding in your fridge. The easiest and most straightforward way of giving yourself energy, preserving your body and losing weight is probably available at your neighborhood food store, or it might even be buried in your kitchen. Don't be alarmed, be excited. Superfoods have long been the highlight of any discussion about health or healthy food. Many celebrity chefs have dedicated cooking books to them. Superfood. Many health experts from around the world have been advocating for the incorporation of superfoods into our diets, and some say that merely adding a few of them to your daily menu is enough to provide your well-being with an instant boost. What is there in superfoods that makes them so desirable? High levels of essential nutritional elements, like protein, minerals, vitamins, essential fatty acids and more. Very high doses of antioxidants. They are easily absorbed and digested. They are beneficial to every body system. Beauty enhancing, for a glowing skin, shiny hair and sparkling eyes. Improve body and soul balance. Between yams and acai berries. Some of these superfoods are rightly considered exotic, and are only available in health food stores. Among these, you can find acai berries, that come from the Amazon rainforests, goji berries, another rare fruit, spirulina, a miracle-working seaweed, and others. The good news is that most of the superfoods are far more accessible than we thought, and as a matter of fact, they are already available at our house. Despite the fact that some of these healthy foods are underneath our noses, we do not consume them on a regular basis. That's simply outrageous in my book. Among the superfoods, you can find at the nearest market or supermarket you can find legumes, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, blueberries, strawberries, quinoa, salmon, dark chocolate, with more than 70% cacao, and many green leaves. The greener they are, the healthier they are. For this reason, kale has become the object of such legendary tales, that have turned it into the unofficial king of superfoods. Spinach, mangold and bok choy are high on this list as well. Changing to a healthier diet, easily. Apparently, turning to a superfood-rich diet is super simple, and super healthy. Replacing processed foods or less healthy foods by superfoods, will not only grant our body important nutritional values, but will also provide energy and assistance to the different body systems. Some of them even boost the discharge of mood-improving hormones. Superfood. Know your superfood. Consuming superfoods as part of your daily menu not only necessitates a recognition in their importance, but also learning about the different kinds of superfoods, their values and the optimal ways to make them. It is also recommended to test a variety of superfoods to see which one of them is having the best effect on you. You can find many recipes throughout the web that concentrate on superfoods, and much more information on the nutritional values of specific superfoods you're interested in. The only thing left for you to do is get informed, find your favorite superfood recipe and start cooking. Link in description.